Namaste all dear viewers. In this video today I'm going to explain question and answers of the topic equation inequality and graph of grade 7. I'm starting here question and answers of the topic 12.1 linear equations of two variables. It goes. So here in the first question we are given here some input values, and through that we have to find here the outputs, right? Okay, so this way is here. So let's see. Says what here? If the inputs, is it? If the inputs for the following function machines are these, is it? These given values are here, and through that we have to find the values of output. So here in the first input and output machine, so there is processing is over here inside bracket, that's +2, is it? So whatever input you keep here, so process will be what? Will be 2 added, is it? And then output will come out over here. So let's go with the first number -2. So here first number is -2. So if you keep here -2, so process will be what there? 2 will get added, is it? So -2 plus 2, then output will become the 0, is it? So same like, let's go for another number. So if it was you going with, is it? Okay, suppose you go with the value of the 0, is it? Suppose you kept the 0, is it? You kept 0 as the input, so process will be there +2, is it? So 2 will be added, so 2 plus 0 will become here 2, is it? So same like you can go for other values also, 3, 7, 9, is it? So you can keep there in the machine. So process is there +2, then you get added, then output you get it, is it? So same like you can do for B and C, is it? Now let's see for other values over there. Now if we see for this E number and F number, but two operations out there, right? Okay, so there are two operations, is it? So first it will do multiply with 3, is it? So I go with this. First it will get multiplied with 3, and what result will be there? 1 will get added. Suppose you are keeping there -2, is it? -2 you are keeping. So you kept there -2, is it? So -2 will get multiplied with 3. So -2 into 3 it will do, and what comes? 1 will get added. So what will be output here? -2 into 3, -6 will be, and +1 if we do, -5 will become here, is it? So here will be the output -5, is it? So same like over here for F number, whatever input you keep, is it? Suppose you are keeping your input 3, is it? So you kept your input 3, so processing will be what? 3 into 2, input what you keep, by 2 it will get multiplied, and later it will get 3 subtracted. So 3 to 6 minus 3 equal to 3. So output will become here 3, is it? So that way we have to do here. So machine is given, is it? Function machine is given there, is it? So it will do some function with some operations of the mathematics, add, subtract, multiply, division, or some multiple operations will be there, is it? And we will go according to the BODMAS rule for doing operation, and what output will be there we will keep as the answer. So it's for number 1, right? So I made you number 1 clear. Now I go with number 2. So let me clear this first. Okay, so we're going with number 2, is it? So what's there in number 2? Let's see, is it? So before of that I make this clear. Okay, so in number 2 is there, they also given again formula machine or function machine, sorry, not formula machine, function machine is given. So here given what? One function machine is given, is it? So there with blue color. So function machine processes what? 3 into variable. What x is over here, variable. So whatever value you keep as an input in this machine, so it will function as how 3 into the variable. So variable can take any value, plus 2, minus 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, any, is it? So with that variable kept, it will get multiplied with 3, and what result will be there, from that result 1 will get subtracted. So let's go for suppose 5, right? So if we keep here 5 in this machine, so how it will process, 3 into 5, is it? Whatever value you'll put inside of the machine, it will get multiplied with 3, is it? And then 1 will get subtracted. So 3 fifths are 15, it does, is it? So 15 minus 1, 14 you get, is it? So here output is 14 for 5. So one more I go for this, minus 4. Let's see if we keep what we'll get there. Suppose I'm keeping now here minus 4, is it? So if you keep input of minus 4, then by 3 it will get multiplied with minus 4, and what result will be there, 1 will be subtracted from that. So 3 into minus 4 you get there minus 12, and minus 1 you do minus 13, you will get there, minus minus will get added, is it? So it's done with to number 8. And now here B also very similar, is it? Input is X, so their values are given, and Y is the output that you have to find. So same like as you did for 2 number A, you can do 2 number B, is it? So we're now going with 3 number. I'll make you erase this first. Okay, so number 3 now, right? So what's in 3? Let's see. So in number 3, we have to complete the table, right? Okay, so let's see what is over here. So complete the following table of the for the given functions, is it? So here number A I have picked, is it, where y equal to 2x minus 1, and this upper line, is it, in the upper row, what values they are given, it's of x, right? So x we are given and y we have to find, right? So that way is there. So we can select multiple values over here, is it, at different times. So I'm starting with minus 1. So when x equal to minus 1, so y will be processing what, 2 into minus 1. So is it, so y is over here 2x minus 1, it means what over here, so 2 into x, input what you keep as x, that value we have to multiply with 2, and from the result we have to subtract 1, is it? So let's go for that. So 2 into input is minus 1, and again there is minus 1. So 2 into minus 1, minus 2, and minus 1. So minus and minus, they will get added. So 2 and 1 you add, you get there 3, is it? So it's for x equal to minus 1. So I go with next, x equal to, suppose I'm keeping there 5, right? So when x equal to 5, y equal to 2 into input is 5 here, so 2 into 5 minus 1, so you get there 10 minus 1, and that will become there 9, is it? And thing is what, this value we have to fill here, right? So when x we took minus 1, is it, so its resulting y is becoming there 3, so in place of its corresponding y we have to give their value 3 for y, is it? And when we took x equal to 5, we get its respective value of y, 9, is it? So in place of y we have to keep here 9. When x is 5, y is 9, is it? And I did for two values of input, x equal to minus 1 and y x equal to 5. For them we got the corresponding values of y, 3 and 9 respectively. So done, is it? So for remaining other values 0, 2, 3, 7 and whichever given, you can try by yourself. Alright, so 3 number A I did, so I go with some other numbers. For that I make it clear. Okay, so 3A it was. I go with another number. Now I'm going with 3 number D. Right, so little bit different over there. Right. 3 number D. Okay, Okay, so let's just see. So your function directly not given as y equal to this, right? So here given some equation with x and y together here. So 2x plus 3y equal to 8 you are given, is it? And through that you have to fill here values of x and y both, is it? So a bit trickier than the previous number, is it? So uh, okay, so let's go with defining y first, right? So here 2x plus 3y equal to 8. It means what? 3y equal to 8 minus 2x. Be very careful what you have to subtract by sending on the right side, right? So 2x you will be sending, so 2x you have to make sign change of that, right? So plus 2x will be sent to the right side, it will turn to the minus 2x, 8 will remain same over there. And then when you get the value of y, it will become the 8 minus 2x divided by 3. So value of y will become here 8 minus 2x by 3. So with that respect, we have to find here value of y by giving value of x, is it? So if you want to get the answer in the integer, is it, you may think over there what value of x we have to give so that it will be divisible by 3 perfectly to get the uh, integer value. If you don't want to find integer value, is it, so value of x and you can keep, is it, it won't matter. If not said integer to find for y, you can give any value of x if you wish, as you wish, is it? But if you have to find the value of y also in term of integer, it's like 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, like that. If you have to find in integer form, so you have to be careful to keep the value of x. You need to think beforehand, alright? So I'm wishing to keep the value of x, find the value of y, is it, as integer form, alright? So I need to think about what should be kept value of x, so that what you calculate over there for 8 minus 2x, so that number should be divisible by 3, is it? So uh, I go with 1 2 3 and you can go, but here is already said, is it? No need to worry for that, it's already said what value of x you have to keep here. So I'm first keeping with 1, right? So if we keep x equal to 1, what will become here? Let's see. So we say here when x equal to 1, so y equal to 8 minus 2 into 1 divided by 3. So it's going to get what? 2 into 1 2 by 3. So 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 by 3 2, is it? So here coming the perfect integer, is it? Here coming integer, not perfect, this is integer, is it? 6 by 3, that we got there 2. So when x is taken 1, y is getting there 2, is it? And now same like you can keep here, you are given here choice minus 2 you are given. So you say here when x equal to minus 2, is it? So what will get there for y? Let's see. So y equal to 8 minus 2 into minus 2, and this here kept bracket, so multiplication symbol not needed to be kept, is it? It implies that it's getting multiplied, and double minus is there, is it? Here you see double minus, minus 2 and minus 2, so minus and minus multiply, it will get plus, is it? So 8 plus, and 2 into 2 is 4, and by 3 is there. So y equal to here 8 4 12, 12 by 3, so y equal to here 4, is it? So when x is chosen minus 2, then its respective value of y is coming there 4, is it? So this way we have made completed for finding corresponding value of y when value of x is given.